Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The first we want to introduction the group name. My name is Adri Afandi. NIM 2018 013 005.
My name is Brian Ramadi. NIM 2018 013 0061. My name is Akbar Afrizal. NIM 2018 01 390.
And I had control in the driver's seat.
For car. First, the axis CNC milling machine is a CNC machine that works with 5 limbs, namely the X, Y, and Z. Axis for A is linear movement for horizontal movement, and the C axis for vertical rotating movement. This 5-axis CNC can try machine for threading as axis, then can travel up to a long distance of 7,000 mm, up and down 300 mm, and free up to 2005 mm. 5-axis machine provides unlimited possibilities for the sizes and shape of part that you can process effectively. At the 5-axis machining center, the cutting tool moves across the linear axis X, Y, and Z, and rotates of the A and B axis to approach the workpiece from all directions. What are the benefits of making part of a 5-axis machine?
Please
programming cost. Instead of writing program for more than one machine tool and for several operations, with a 5-axis machine, your programmer loads a single chat or cam file to create a program. 2. Often limits the need for complex equipment. Often with a 3-axis engine, complex equipment must be made so that the orientation section and can be made to make the future. The 5-axis machine eliminates the need and cost of creating equipment because parts can be held on and rotate so that geometry is made. 3. Faster transfer of material. The 5-axis machine allows the cutting tool to remain near to the cutting surface. Lower cycle time and costs are achieved because more material can be removed with X2 slot.
4. Better surface. Better surface finish using the 5-axis capability in considered geometry, while traditional 3-axis machine. Very small pieces must be used to produce a good surface, resulting in longer lead times. 5. Reducing labor costs per section. Machine operations AD cost them every time they touch their parts. Even though you can include several components that requires a web-sided machine using several machine tools. Consider the amount of time the operator is involved in moving the workpiece from the engine to the engineers and starting and stopping operators. The 5-axis machine eliminates this wasted time. Okay. In video we can see the process making the cylinder head. The material used to make the cylinder head is a strong aluminum alloy. The machine makes a profit and hauls elements from the actual valve and roughing the actual valve diameter is greater than the ratchet valve. Later, the cylinder head will be bolted with many components such as the rocker arm, manifold intake, and cylinder block output manifold. Thank you.
And this finished for our presentation. We will say thank you for your watching this video.